Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, we got this cool, amazing product right here, if you guys can see, by the brand right here. And pretty much what it is an LED light strip that you can use for the car. Not at home or anything, but you guys only can use this on the car. So you guys seen a lot of people's car or Uber rides where they put on like different light strip, LED strips throughout the car and make it like glow or just makes it look really cool like a rave. Then this is pretty much one of those products out there, and this might not be the same exact one, but it does its job the same thing that it can do like the other companies or brands. First thing first, let me actually unbox and show you guys what comes inside the package first, and then we'll go do the test and come back and talk about the product. So first thing you get inside is like a feedback card. If there's anything wrong with the product, you guys can contact them. Then they provide you the card or user manual on how to set up the product and all the good stuff that's actually on this product. And then last but not least is the actual product itself. So you guys can see, here it is. So they pretty much provide you some screws if you want to mount it on the car using screws. Give you some straps to actually tie the things together. Honestly, you guys don't actually need any of those stuff because on the product itself, you guys can see it has these 3M tapes. So you guys can actually just tape it onto the product. It uses this plug right here to plug it onto the car so it can actually power it up. And right here it's the controls. If you guys can see, there's an on and off switch. There's like the light of how the brightness and all the different modes on here, and just a little brand logo right there. And if you guys look on the side of this part right here, there's like a little slot right here that has a mic where it actually will listen to the audio and it actually will sync in to the music when you're actually playing the music with the light. And I'll probably show you guys how it looks like without it taped on first, just so you guys can see what it looks like, because I don't want to tape this on and regret not liking it and then want to move it to a different car in the future or something. So I'll just show you guys a test of that. Alright, so we got the Govee light up LED light strips. Right here we have all connected right here, and here's the strip. So I'm actually not gonna put the whole strip around the car because I don't know if I want to keep it yet, but I'm gonna test it out to show you guys how it works and when it works. So first thing I'm gonna do right now is turn off the light so it's gonna be really dark, and then press this button here, and as you can see it starts working. And it kind of follows the beat, so if you guys are listening to my voice right now, it's actually following the beat of how I'm talking because it can hear it. So when I turn on a song right now, so let's say if I turn on this song right here by Joakim Dreams, watch what happens. So it actually follows the beat of the music or the voice. If it hears like your voice, you guys can see that when I'm talking, it actually works. So there's a power switch right here to turn it off and on. There's the next one would be like the color changing one where you guys can change the colors to whatever color you want. And then the third and final one right here would be the actual one for changing the patterns on the car. So let me show you guys what I mean. So that's one pattern, second pattern, third pattern, fourth pattern, fifth pattern, and there's just so many different patterns on here. So you guys can control it all on here, and you guys can actually control it on the app as well. So let me actually show you guys on the app right now of how you guys can control it and what kind of app it is. So the app that you guys want to download is this right here, Govee Home. So I'm gonna download it right now first. So when you guys finish downloading the app itself, you guys will actually add the device by clicking the plus on the top right corner, and then this is the one you guys want to select for this specific product. So let's tap it. Alright, so it's connecting right now, and it'll just name it for whatever you want to. So we'll name it LED, or LE is cool I guess too. So you guys can control all that on here. So let me show you guys right now of how it looks like. So right now it's on, but if I turn it off by clicking this button, it'll turn off, turn it back on. So you guys can control that on here. You guys can control the brightness and everything on here as well. So turn it all the way down, turn it all the way up. You guys can see the difference of the light, that when you guys control the brightness and all that good stuff. You guys can train what kind of mode you guys want it. You guys want it to be a scene, color, or music mode, however you guys want to. Sensitivity, the color autos, if you guys want just specific color or you want it to be automatically changing. So right now it's just on blue, but if you guys want to change the color settings on here to like auto right here, so we change all the colors, just click that and it changes all the colors for you. So you can see it's turning red, it's turning yellow, it's turning green, it's turning blue. Just the color changes, which is really nice. So let me play some music right now so you guys can see how it looks like with all different colors. just to show you guys what it looked like. Now imagine this all around your car. So lit. Alright, welcome back guys. So now that you guys saw the Tesla product, you guys can see that it actually worked really well, and it's actually quite amazing because of the way how the product is actually built. You guys can actually put it however you guys want to. It's so long to the point where you guys can actually put it on the front, the back seat, behind the driver's seat, the back seat of the passenger seat, or however you guys just want to do it. Feel free to do it and have fun with it. And also another cool thing about this product is the fact that you guys can actually control this on an app. So when you guys pair it onto the device or the app, you guys can actually control what light or how you guys want it to be blinking the light and all that good stuff on the app, which is really nice and very techy nowadays. So right now on Amazon for this product in particular, it costs around $22. And for that price range, would I say that's actually worth it? Honestly, I have to say that with everything that you guys saw in the product, I have to say that this product is quite amazing because first of all, you're getting a LED light strip, and then number two, you guys can control it on the app to whatever light you guys want on the product. And then number three is the fact that it actually follows the beat of the music. So if you're playing like really cool music, really slow music, it'll follow that beat of the light, which is really nice and really cool. So pretty much long story short, yes, I would say that this product is worth it if you guys actually need it or just want to be extra and step up your game in your car. But like how I say in all my videos, if you guys don't need it or don't plan on using it a lot or just don't want it at all, then obviously don't buy it. This is probably something not for you and something that you guys probably don't even need, so just don't buy it. But other than that, that's pretty much it for the little unboxing, testing, and feedback of the product. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace. And then for today's G Squad fan shout out day, we have